Hello and welcome to former CrowdTangle and future NewsWhip users. As you know, the CrowdTangle platform will no longer be available from the 14th of August this year. And, to quote former British Prime Minister Gordon Brown to the former Liberal Democrats leader from a 2010 election debate, I agree with Nick. 2024 is already a busy news year, including another UK election, along with one in the US, along with the upcoming Olympics, and we know how valuable CrowdTangle was to the publisher, research and academic community. Well, we feel NewsWhip is the best placed alternative. Let's take a quick comparative look. Stay on top of the stories that matter, yes we can. Benchmark yourself against competitors, yes we can. Identify influencers, yes we can. Alright, that's sounding a bit too much like another former election. Facebook and Instagram content, yes for both, and we are proud to have the best Facebook coverage after CrowdTangle, which, is essentially Meta. In fact, we also measure real-time web article engagement across Facebook and Twitter /X and Pinterest. We also track real-time engagement for native content on Reddit, including every subreddit, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, as well as a beta program for publishers for LinkedIn. Follow, analyze, and report. Yes, you can track sites, pages, and accounts. You can benchmark against industry peers and also make use of our various reporting options. Real-time dashboards are our speciality. You can do all this on NewsWhip Spike. We have historical data going back to 2018, including a new historical analysis feature of longer time ranges, as well as a number of visualization widgets options for this data. We have a number of digest and alert options. These include weekly and AI-powered digest providing summaries, real-time alerts based on metrics such as predicted interactions, and integrations with Slack and Microsoft Teams. We have recently improved our mobile experience and we have upcoming enhancements of our heads-up display. And finally, all of our content can be exported in a variety of formats, and our new report builder allows for one-click reporting with customization options exportable in PDF and PowerPoint formats. NewsWhip Spike is very flexible and we have a number of solutions, but it was born in the newsroom over a decade ago, and so providing value for publishers like yourself is at the heart of our product. To begin, we'll cover some of the most immediate differences with CrowdTangle. NewsWhip consists of searches and dashboards. A search can consist of keywords, sources, or URLs. Keywords cast a wide net across web articles and social media posts and will capture any reference to them, while sources such as social media accounts or URLs for websites can be added to be specifically tracked and monitored. This would be similar to the list building feature in CrowdTangle. All searches have additional criteria such as language and location. The results of these searches will be displayed in a dashboard. A dashboard will contain widgets of visualizations and network feeds. Content widgets present a feed of posts from all web articles and social media, including all the networks previously mentioned. Let's take a quick look at this in action, but please note that more detailed information on all features and metrics can be found on our Help Center. I'll start with a new search and dashboard. In this case, I'll limit it to one publisher in particular, the New York Times. I can search and add the relevant website or websites to track. The web articles widget will populate. I can repeat this for every network. I'll add their main Facebook page, which automatically opens that feed widget to the right. And I'll do the same for their main Twitter account. As you can see, I can add as many other accounts as I desire. If I decide I want to remove their science and health feeds, I can simply click to do so. If you can't find the source, our implementation team will be able to assist you and add it for future tracking. The feeds themselves can be filtered by type, date range, and a variety of metrics. A few of these are unique to NewsWhip. Highest velocity is our own metric and should be thought of as a measure of virality, and another is predicted interactions, which forecast potential interactions using our patented algorithm. The most versatile widget and probably a big dashboard difference you'll become familiar with is the timeline visualization. This shows how media and public have engaged with a given topic and how it's developing and evolving over time. Importantly, if you have two or more searches with a timeline widget added, you will be able to see the combined timeline, which is an essential visualization when comparing categories or competitors or plotting a current news event to the life cycle of a similar one. Here we can see a comparison of 5 global publishers. And quickly, here is the full feed of the New York Times utilizing every widget. You can also choose to set up an alert straight to your inbox or to someone else. This can be real time for recent changes based on predicted metrics or our AI digests. And you can choose to export by widget in a number of formats. Let's move on to a new search to monitor some keywords. This could help you monitor evergreen content, spot trends, or help with ideas for stories to cover. Here is a very basic dashboard focused on monitoring Republicans and Democrats for the upcoming election. And we can see a few of our other visualization widgets such as top people and brands with the interest quadrant and a leaderboard of top offers. And finally, we've also launched our new report builder, which allows you to export entire dashboards with your own comments in only a few clicks. That's it. Welcome to NewsWhip, and thanks for watching.